Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT Power, and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset of the device in order to get rid of the screen lock. So as you can see, there is a screen lock, and without the proper combination you can't really get past it. So we're going to remove it by holding power key, select then power off, and OK, and wait for the device to shut off. And once it has, we will then hold power key and volume up simultaneously. Yeah, so now that it's off, volume up, power key simultaneously, hold it till you see the CUBOT logo, which is right now, and you can let go. And now we're located in the recovery mode. So from here you want to select wipe data factory reset using volume keys to navigate, as you can see. Otherwise the touchscreen doesn't really work. So I'm gonna do that, select wipe data factory reset, and then confirm it with power key. And once more select yes and power key to confirm it. And you get a message at the bottom, formatting data. And then the next thing we should see is data wipe complete. Okay, there it is. And we're back in the main page of recovery mode with reboot system now selected by default. So all we need to do now is press power key and let the device reboot. Now it's going to continue the process in the background, so just be patient, it might take a minute or two. And once it's finished, we'll be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. Okay, so now we just get to set up the device. So let's press start. Now mind you that whatever language you set up, if you have a SIM card, it will change it. So keep that in mind. Just gonna skip network connection to save time so it doesn't look for updates. Oops, I actually don't want to set it up. Skip, not now. And we're done. So that is how you would perform a hard reset of the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.